Nginesithembu mina nginabafazi abawu3 u6 million maybe ibudget yami ka2 months.
Kodwa nawo nesibindi umuntu usekangena emzini wakho ungakazi uhlangane naye empilweni yakho.
Angibambe yabo kunamabele amakhulu angiphushele kusofa.
Ibingelele ngiphinde ngikwamukele le channel ethu ungaphambili uma usafika sicela ulike, subscribe ukuze uthole ama-notification njalo uma upload ivideo. Sekusuka umsindo ngevidiyo yentombazane esesabalale enkundleni zokuxhumana lapho intombazane ikleyima khona ukuthi idlwengulwe uDr Khehlezi kodwa ngifuna ukuchaza kakhulu ngicela ukuthi ngiyifake ividiyo bese nisho nembono yenu.
Maybe but zonke rounds zakhe he came within 2 minutes. All his 4 rounds he came within 2 minutes.
Sifuze sisi angibambe yabo kunamabele amakhulu angiphushele kusofa. Sweet nami kade ngihalo yabo gcine ngichama emathangeni la ngizama ukufaka.
Uyaxoka he shoved it in wayifaka yonke.
Siye bedeni laphana mangithi hayi man lo muntu uyableeda ngeke ngisakwazi ukuthi silale because mina ngisebenzisa izinto zesintu so ngeke ngikwazi ukulala nomuntu obleeda. Okay sharp.
Wathi Dr Khehlezi izesibona pad njani if negazi sokondlala itawela ngizakuphinda mina anginandaba.
The truth is sithandanile nosisi.
uKhehlezi uthi besijola. He was the one who was calling me every day 3 times a day.
Kwipolitiki I make sure ukuthi kwipolitiki when it comes to MK I don't have a girl because ngiphush ipolitiki lapha. But
yo ulala nabantu be-NK omama be-NK ulala nabo ulala nabafazi babantu. I saw a corpse umuntu ofileyo endlini kaDr Khehlezi. I decided to keep quiet, to keep my peace. I wanted us to esikabani. Oh, and on his phone I also saw another corpse of a colored. Si decompose wa pepsweni sinamathathu apha emzimbeni. uKhehlezi wesidumbu. If beyintombazana benzothi ngubabes wesidumbu. Khehlezi wesidumbu.
Uma uyibuke wazi wafika live video ngicela ukuthi ushare ulove kuma comments. Ngalona ndlela ngizokubiza igama lakho kwivideo elandelayo just to appreciate support uwe.